So what I did today was study about cough, and that is from JAPI, JAPI, that's Journal of Physical Physicians or whatever. Anyway, cough can be divided into acute, subacute, and chronic. So if it is less than 3 weeks acute, 3 to 8 weeks is subacute, and more than 8 weeks is chronic. It can also be divided into dry cough and wet cough. So what are the things which cause acute cough and chronic cough? Here we'll see the reasons. Acute cough can be caused because of viral infections, allergens, exposure to irritants, bronchiolitis, irritants such as tobacco, aerosol smoke, pollutants. Also, life-threatening causes such as pulmonary embolism and severe pneumonia also can cause acute cough. Now, chronic cough there are respiratory reasons and non-respiratory reasons. Non-respiratory reasons can be because of GERD. Also, cough hypersensitivity syndrome can also cause chronic cough. And the respiratory symptoms are URTI, asthma. So COPD, non-asthmatic eosinophilic bronchitis, and upper airway cough syndrome. All these can cause chronic cough, but if there is acute exacerbation, it can cause acute cough. The post-infectious also, you can like pertussis, COVID, all those things can cause chronic cough. So I made a mnemonic. So Solorus. So these are the drugs causing cough. Drugs causing cough, ARB, ACE inhibitors, we already know. So statins, opioids, leflunomide, omeprazole, ribavirin, interferon, and then sitagliptin. These will cause chronic drugs causing cough. So diagnosis, as we all know, it's acute cough can be diagnosed with, if there are no red flag signs, then you just treat them. If there are red flag signs, you have to refer. But then if you suspect something, you can do X-ray. And if you suspect something more serious, you do CT. You can also do spirometry and CBC, and so X-ray and CT are done. Can also rule out GERD. We should at the same time we should also rule out cardiac problem, lung problem, and GI problem. So cough hypersensitivity syndrome can be caused because of perfume, hot air, and cold air. So the treatment of acute cough is by whatever we give daily, that is antitussives, antihistamines, decongestants, mucolytics, and demulcents. They're all there in the cough syrup. So there's nothing extra about it. But in asthma, we have to remember that we have to give beta agonists, muscarinic antagonists, corticosteroids, and antibiotics. Antibiotics can be given if there's a bacterial infection or like productive cough. And don't give CPL to pregnant patients. So these are codeine and oral bronchodilators, and levocetirizine should not be given to pregnant patients. And dextromethorphan. So dextromethorphan is a antitussive, which is given only after 4 years. And terbutaline is a bronchodilator beta 2 agonist. This should be given only after 6 years. So chronic cough, if there is no other treatment and it is not responding to no cause, then you can give central anti-cough things like codeine, gabapentin, amitriptyline, and morphine. So if reflux symptoms of reflux cough is there, then you treat with PPI. And if asthma is there, if you suspect asthma and if it is not responding to corticosteroids, then you give Staphylococcus and Montelukast. Those are anti-leukotriene antagonists. That's it. Thank you.